In this video, we are going to show how an operator would set up the machine and the dry box before spreading a field. To begin, touch the Setup button in the lower left-hand corner. In this window, you will be able to set up 3 different parts of the machine. Let's start out by pressing the Equipment window to open the machine profile. In the machine profile, you will be able to adjust the GPS offsets, the work point, and mechanical display. You can also adjust the number of bins on the machine. For customers that use a single bin in the fall to spread lime and then install the multiplier insert in the spring to spread 2 product variable rate fertilizer, this is the first setting that needs to be changed. Press Save when finished. Next, press the Location window to input the client, farm, and field information for the field you are about to spread. This is the same process as you will find on the 4600 Command Center in sprayers and tractors. You can create a new customer or select a current customer from the list and press OK when finished. The last step is to assign a specific product to each bin in the Work Summary window. Select Bin 1 to make sure the product name matches what you are going to spread out of Bin 1. If it does not, select the product name, and it will take you to a new window where you can create a new product name if needed. Up to 24 unique product names can be added to the display. After you have selected the same product as the work order, press OK to complete. You will repeat the same steps for each bin on the list and then press OK. The machine now has the correct customer and field information set up along with the correct products assigned to each bin. We can now input more details about the product being spread. As you can see, this is a 2-bin machine, so all of the display windows on the main run page will reflect that. Let's begin by setting up the target rate. Select the target rate area in the bin status window. This will open a new window allowing you to input 3 different target rates for each bin that can be selected in the display or on the command arm. You can also load a prescription to each bin in this window as well. Press the X button to complete. Next, you can access the bin details information by pressing the lower portion of the bin status window. The bin details window lets you input specific information about each product you are going to apply. At the top, you can quickly toggle through all bins to input information. For each bin, you will be able to turn it on and off, enable bin chaining, and adjust the bin alarms. You will also input the product density, the CFR value, and the feed gate opening. On the left side of the screen, you can reset your bin counter between loads, control the roll tarp, and perform common procedures like chain oiling and priming the belt of the front bin. There is also a feature to purge the bins that allows the operator to empty the dry box without the spinners being on. Now that the bin details have been set up, the 4600 Command Center will save those settings with the specific product name that was set up earlier. Whenever the name is used again in the future, all of the last used settings will automatically reload, reducing the chance of error while allowing the operator to calibrate the machine more quickly. You will repeat the same steps for each of the bins and then press X to complete. For the last step, press the spinner area in the bin status window. Since product spreading can vary based on density, weather, and many other factors, you have the ability to set up multiple presets for your machine. As you can see, we have 3 different setups for this machine, including a straight blend, 2-bin variable rate, and line. I can easily create new presets or edit current presets by selecting the pencil icon. Once the preset is open, I can adjust the spinner speed, the alarm, the spread width, and the fan frame setting. Adjusting the fan frame is still done at the rear of the machine. Another nice feature is if I change the spread width, the display will automatically ask me if I want to change the AutoTrack working width. This ensures that there is a less chance of overlap or gaps when spreading. Similar to the bin details, the 4600 Command Center will save each of these presets so the operator can quickly access them in the future. When complete, press OK, and the F4365 is ready to start spreading.